Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen. My name is Heather, and today we're tackling the question, does it matter if you have a fresh egg straight from the bottom of a chicken or a store-bought egg when it comes to peeling the eggs? I've always wondered, and I've seen comments here and here and here saying, well, if it's a fresh egg, you're gonna have a problem peeling. Well, if it's a store-bought egg, it's gonna be easier if it's old, whatever. I never know if that's true or not, so I thought today we would try out this question. And we're gonna do it 4 ways, so that any way that you decide to do your eggs, you will know without a shadow of a doubt what is the best way for your type of egg. So we're gonna do some on the stove. That's the traditional way. You do it on the stove. We're gonna do some in the Instant Pot. That's my favorite way. We're gonna do some in the sous vide. I do like that, but it takes 40 minutes. It's fine, we have the time. And we're gonna do some in the air fryer. So if you're ready for this adventure, get out your eggs. Let's figure out what is best. Let's go. All right, so because these are gonna be done at very different times, I'm just gonna focus all on one, then we're gonna peel them, and then we're gonna make that decision from there, which one we think is easier to peel. Now, if you look at my eggs here, you'll notice that I have one missing. I was actually taking the thumbnail for this video and I dropped one on the floor. So I was gonna do 3 of each in every method, but now I'm gonna have to only do 2 of this one in my pot. That's beside the point. Let's do the first one first. This one isn't quite to temperature yet, so I can't quite start the sous vide. So the first thing we're gonna go to is our pressure cooker. So what you're gonna want in your pressure cooker is at least a cup of water and some sort of rack. I'm gonna use the Pampered Chef egg rack, but really you can use whichever rack you want. Just make sure that your eggs are above the water. You know what, I'm gonna turn my rack over because I want it farther away from the water than that. So 3 of that one. I'm gonna put my points up if I can tell which side the pointy end is, and 3 of that one. All right, now we're gonna seal our pot and we're gonna set it for 6 minutes. At the end of 6 minutes, it's very important that you let it natural pressure release for only 6 minutes. After that 6 minutes, we are then going to put it into an ice bath immediately. So let's get that started. 6 minutes, start. Okay, so let's pay attention, Heather, because I have before left this in there for 20 minutes before I realized that the timer had gone off. It is what it is, but what are you gonna do? All right, 168, we're very close. So once that hits 170, I have the timer set for 40 minutes. So down in there gonna go. There's 2 of that one. 1 and 2 of that one, and 2 of that one. Perfect. Okay, now the air fryer's turn. Now I'm gonna take all 6 of these, we're gonna put them right in the tray of the air fryer in the middle rack. We are gonna hit custom, we're gonna hit 20 minutes, and our temperature is gonna be 250. And now we're going. Okay, now for our pot of water, which is the traditional way. To a cold pan, we're gonna add our eggs. I am gonna bring this to a boil, and as soon as it starts to boil, I'm gonna cover it and set a timer for 12 minutes. All right, when something is done, I will be back with my ice water because everything needs an ice water bath except for the sous vide. The sous vide ones actually can be done warm. So we'll be back when the first one is ready. Okay, the Instant Pot is done. So as soon as this hits the 6 minute mark, I'm gonna release the pressure and then get them right into this ice water bath. Okay, 6 minutes is up. Here we go. They need to sit in the water for 6 minutes to cool off before we try to peel them. Perfect. And I have a timer going right now that says 6 minutes. So that's perfect. Good deal. Instant Pot, Thank you for your service. The air fryer is the next one that's going to be done, but it has to sit in there for 6 minutes before we touch it. So 6 to 10 minutes, don't touch it. I have another timer going for that one. And then the oven ones are going to be done in just a second. That one is done. So now we're going to leave it in there for 6 to 10 minutes. Usually I like more like 9 minutes in the air fryer. So I'll probably leave it in about 9 minutes, but then it'll go into here. But first, we're gonna get those ones out of the water and these ones peeled. All right, before I grab the ones from the oven, I will take these guys out. A few more ice cubes in, and let's grab the ones from the stove. All right, the ones from the stove already, I can tell I'm not gonna like them as much because they're all cracked. I mean, let me take that back. 2 of them remained uncracked, but 2 of them are very cracked. This is a 12-minute cool, so let's try peeling these ones right here. These are our they're our Instant Pot eggs. Well, we're gonna start with the store-bought eggs. Instant Pot, store-bought. I love Instant Pot hard-boiled eggs. They're so easy to peel. They're phenomenal. Store-bought Instant Pot eggs, awesome. Look at that. There we go. Perfectly done egg. Okay, now we have Instant Pot fresh eggs, fresh from the chicken's bottom within the last 24 hours. I don't think that they're very hard to peel at all from the Instant Pot. There you go, perfect. Try again. I'll do all of the fresh ones because, yeah, this is very easy. So maybe the Instant Pot, it doesn't matter if they're fresh or store-bought. Look at that. That is exceptionally easy to peel. Okay, well, myth busted right there. I can't be the only one that has heard that it's much tougher to peel a fresh egg. Not in the Instant Pot. That's amazing. All right, well, I'll put these eggs on this plate. These over there. I'm gonna put them off to the side. So this one's Instant Pot. I'll put it next to the Instant Pot. And I'll throw this away. All right, 4 minutes left on these and 4 minutes left on those. So, whoo, I'm gonna need some more ice in there, but that's still very, very cold. In fact, it's been about 8 minutes. Let's see how well this peels. Oh, that peels really nice. Okay, maybe you only need 8 minutes to peel. So this is the store-bought one, the one that already cracked though, so can't really give it a fair trade because that one was cracked. It's fine. It is what it is. Easy to peel. Store-bought, easy to peel. The fresh ones did not crack inside the pot. I thought that we had a cracked one, but I guess not. Okay, so let's do the fresh ones. Whoops, not on the plate. I mean, maybe a little bit more tough, but again, not really. Not really. I wouldn't call that hard to peel. No, I would not call that hard to peel. Those were very easy to peel. I have yet to peel off any part of an egg. We'll try the next one. Oh, very easy. Okay, well, that was 8 minutes in the cold water. That was the oven boiled ones. The oven? No, oven boiled. The stovetop eggs. These are the stovetop eggs. All right, back over here, they're gonna go next to this. And I'm gonna grab some more ice and throw this away. All right, here we go. We're gonna do the ice bath for 6 minutes. Ooh, that's interesting. Look on the outside of these eggs. they like have egg coming out of the shell. Interesting. All right, in they will go for 6 minutes. All right, 6 minutes is up. And we are going to take these out and peel them. Now, these ones were the air fryer eggs, so I'm not really a fan of how the air fryer does eggs, but that works. Feels pretty nice. Old egg. Okay, here we go. So far, I'm calling this myth busted. I don't know if it's a myth or if someone actually just has a problem with their methods or what, but so far I've seen very little difference. By the way, thank you, Cheryl, for these eggs. These are my friend Cheryl's eggs. She actually brought them to me and I was like, you are a dream. I've been wanting to do this video forever. There we go. No, oh, look, okay. Look, I spoke a little bit too soon. Can you see that? A tiny bit came off on that shell. I don't mind being wrong. Obviously, 1 out of 12 eggs though. I feel like if you follow the directions and you do your 6-minute rest and you do your 6-minute soak or you do your 12-minute soak or however you do your soaks, I feel like you're gonna get your eggs easy to peel. Has someone else seen something different? Okay, so these guys are these are the air fryer eggs. So I'll just set them over here for the air fryer eggs. Okay, the timer is up. I'm gonna put more ice in my bowl and I'm gonna fish these out. Now, we're not gonna let these ones cool. We are going to try to peel them as soon as they're able to be held. So I'm gonna put them right into my water. And then as soon as I can handle these eggs, I am going to, I can. That's right, they're only at 170 degrees. Okay, we didn't even have to put them in there. 170 is hot, but it's not too hot for me to handle. So this is the store-bought one. Oh, I just peeled off a piece of the egg for the store-bought one. Oh, this one is rather soft. I feel like it could have been... Okay, don't sous vide your eggs if you want an easy peel. Okay, maybe that's the outlier. Let's check the next one. Okay. Nope. That one also. So sous vide eggs. So what I'm seeing here is sous vide eggs didn't release this little membrane from the egg. So sous vide method, I have a feeling that it's going to be bad all along. Okay, here we go. Yeah. I mean, this is definitely coming off better than that one did. So there's no truth in the sous vide eggs. But, oop, nope, I just peeled it off. So the sous vide ones are definitely, yeah, okay. They're fully cooked though. I'll cut through some of these for you, but sous vide ones are hard to peel regardless of which way you do it. So don't do them in the sous vide. Unless you do them at a higher temperature, because I feel like maybe the recipe that I followed didn't have them at the right temperature. I don't know though. It almost feels like the farm fresh eggs are peeling nicer than the store-bought eggs for the sous vide. See that? So there's the first egg with no, that's weird to me. That was unexpected. But they are harder to peel in general. All the sous vide eggs are harder to peel out of every one of them. Which one did I think was easiest to peel? Honestly, all 3 of the other methods were real easy. I didn't like the oven method because they cracked, but probably the Instant Pot method was the most accurate. Nope, see, I'm peeling apart the egg for the love of all that is worthy. Okay, so unless you want eggs that look like that for your hard-boiled eggs, don't bother. I almost don't even want to bother peeling this last egg, but for the sake of science, we will do it. See if we can get a whole egg. Okay, I will say that if this one comes apart, nope. Okay, don't do sous vide. Don't do it. Don't do it. You're gonna frustrating. These are pitiful and horrendous. Like, that's so bad. Let's even cut into it. Let's see. I mean, they're not quite cooked. That was the problem. All right, well, maybe I'll try sous vide boiled eggs again, because that's not quite cooked all the way through. That's not hard boiled. That's more like a soft and gummy. Yeah, okay. So let's bring back the Instant Pot eggs, the stovetop eggs, and the air fryer eggs. Now, I've cooked them this way before, so I'm not supposing there's going to be any surprises, but the Instant Pot eggs, perfect. I'll give you an up close in just a moment, but we will do side-by-side comparison. Instant Pot, well, that's interesting. Those store-bought eggs have a darker yolk than the other eggs. It's fine. It's fine. That's just different. Usually it's the other way. Oh, that one had a big air bubble. That's fine. But I did want to cut into these so that you could see insides are fully cooked. Everything looks fantastic. I'm making deviled eggs, by the way. All right. Oh, look at that. Okay. All right. Now let's get that close camera in here so that we can see that they're all cooked, they're all beautiful, and they're all absolutely delicious to eat. As you can see, all of the yolks are fully cooked and everything looks fantastic. All right, you guys. Well, what'd you think? Do you think that that myth is busted? I mean, besides the sous vide stuff, which was just atrocious, I didn't have a problem peeling anything. So I think that myth is a little bit busted. I'm not going to worry about if they're fresh or if they're not fresh when doing one of these three methods. Now, I won't do it on the stove because I don't like babysitting eggs, but I will do them these two ways because it's just really easy. Instant Pot, 6 minutes, 6 minutes rest, 6 minutes water, bam. Air fryer, 20 minutes, 10 minutes rest in there, and then 6 minutes in the water. This is what we have. So there you go, you guys. Well, if you enjoyed that video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I do videos about everything, including myth busting, sourdough bread, main dishes, ethnic dishes, you name it. If you want to see it, I might do it. So give me some ideas in the comments below. Otherwise, you guys, Christmas is coming, which means Christmas recipes are on the way. So if you have a Christmas recipe you want me to do, let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.